All right, people, this is Brandon with Brandon Reviews coming at you with another review for the month of March. All right, so we're reviewing the latest Thread Beast box. And before I get into it, I just want to remind you all, please like my video, please subscribe to this channel, and share it with anybody that you feel might be able to benefit from learning about a service like this. I am the type of person that I was a basic bitch. Yeah, I mean, you know, not bitch in the one way, but, you know, I was just a basic dude. Like, you know, the way that I dressed, the clothes that I was buying, I was just a Macy's shopper, which there's nothing wrong with it, but I was just a Macy's bargain shopper. So whatever was on sale, like, you know, hey, yes, give me more. But, you know, just being able to choose from a diverse selection of clothing, it's a very big deal for me. So I've definitely stepped my clothing game up, and it is thanks to Thread Beast, and I definitely stand by most of what they send me. You know, sometimes it's hit or miss, but for the most part, 8 out of 10 boxes I'm really thrilled about. All right, so let's get into this box. This is the box for March 2022. All right, so generally on average, I get about $200 worth of clothes. So let's see what we got in this box. All right, so all right, got another black hoodie, zip up hoodie. And let's see what the name of this brand is. All right, CLSC. I'm not sure. CLSC Co. This definitely is gonna pick up a lot of lint for this one. It already has. But I'm gonna go ahead and say that hooded sweatshirt's gonna run probably about 50 bucks. I got another pair of sweatpants, Diamond Supply. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Diamond Supply has been trying to get me to wear some leggings. So I don't know, Diamond Supply is not my friend at the moment when it comes to sweatpants. Love the t-shirts too though, but yeah, the sweatpants, I'm not really with them too much. So this is from Undefeated. I just know about Undefeated as the shoe store that's over here on La Brea in mid-Wilshire area, or whatever that's called. But it's a nice t-shirt. I'll definitely find a way and a method to rock this. Seems kind of big, but you know, hey, we'll give it, it's supposed to be in my size. It's an extra large. So, okay, between the sweatpants, I would say the sweatpants are also $50. This shirt, it's a very high quality t-shirt as far as the material. So I'm gonna give it 35 for sure. So that's $135 right there off rip. This is a brand called Carrots. Not really sure about that one. I can only give this one a $25. But I'll definitely wear it. I mean, it's a t-shirt. Logo looks decent, so I can work with it. So right there alone, what did I say? 35. That's 25. So that's 160 we're at so far. And then something I definitely probably didn't need is this hat. Definitely don't wear these very often. Don't have a need to, especially since it never really gets cold here in Los Angeles to really wear it. But hey, maybe I'll save it for one of those days that I go to Cleveland. I have no clue what this brand is, so I couldn't even tell you, but let's just say that this is a $15 hat to go on top of everything else. So we're gonna top this box out at $175. All right, so this is the box for the month of March. Spring. One thing that I can say about Thread Beast, I feel like I wish they would probably look to see where the people live that are getting these boxes, because I know if I lived in like Florida and they sent me a box like this, I'd probably be a little pissed. But here in LA, like, you know, it's fine, but I think they should stop sending out like winter type clothes in like February, just because of the weather. It was just 85 degrees the other day. So, and right now it's, what, the 25th? I think it's the 25th of March. So yeah, like we've had a lot of 85 degree days already. So I mean, just keeping that in consideration that the weather can shift in any direction in any month, I think they should definitely limit the winter clothes that they send out to people in Southern California. And other states that are warm, like, you know, Las Vegas and Phoenix and, you know, all those areas. They really need to look at like where they are before they start sending out all these warm clothes that people will never get to wear. So again, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will try all these clothes on just to see how they fit so that I can let you know what the dealie is. All right, check you in a second. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. All right, so now we're here at the March box. I definitely am feeling better about it because I thought the sweatpants, the Diamond Supply sweatpants, were going to be leggings like they have been in the past, but these gray sweatpants are super comfortable. They fit just right. They're not extra baggy, but they're not tight. So I'm definitely a fan. The Undefeated t-shirt, it fits good in, maybe not so good in certain places. Yeah, I don't know. But overall, I'm still gonna wear it. The material is really high end. So, hey, nothing I can complain about. I would definitely suggest and remind you all to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share any information about Threadbeast to anybody that you think can utilize this service. For me, it was just because I'm not great at picking out clothes. So some of you might have the same issues, but if you want to step it up, this is the way to go. All right, so let me go ahead and try on the next shirt. One moment. Okay, so this is the t-shirt that was the Carrots brand. Carrots, as in the vegetable. Fits good. I mean, what else could I really say? Like, you know, it fits well. I don't have anything to say about how it fits me at all. The design is decent, it's pretty basic, but you know, I got some kicks that I can wear with it, so it should work out pretty good. On to the next thing, the little hoodie. Okay, so now I have the CLSC zip up hoodie. Fits okay. It's a really thin sweatshirt, so it'll be good for the springtime as well. I see that just based on the material, like any type of lint or anything is gonna pick it up big time. But hey, it's a good pickup, you know. I'll definitely end up wearing it. All right, so go ahead, leave a comment and I'll get back with you. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.